And Makkal Needi Mayyam chief Kamal Haasan has finalized seat sharing with controversial party SDPI and has given them 18 seats for the elections. This move has now had a lot of reactions coming into it because Makkal Needi Mayyam has finalized the seat sharing deal. I want to cut across to Apurva joining me. Apurva, it is indeed controversial. Wondering how it is being received, and 18 seats given to SDPI. What are you picking up on this? Not too sure if that line is still on with Apurva, but before that, Rakesh Sinha spoke on this very issue. Let's listen in.
The alliance with the SDPI has completely exposed Kamal Haasan's politics. He is believing in a politics of destruction and appeasement. That's why he has chosen SDPI, which is not merely a communal outfit, but also is a philosophy akin to the Simi and other outfits which believe the balkanization of India. They are the people who want polarization of the votes and the people, and for the sake of power and certain seats, they are doing something and harming the Tamil society which believes in peace, harmony and unity of the people.
So you just heard the reaction from Rakesh Sinha. Remember, the BJP has called this highly condemnable. Kamal Haasan has allied with SDPI. In fact, the seat sharing deal has been finalized. SDPI has been given 18 seats to contest from in the state of Tamil Nadu. But why would Kamal Haasan go ahead to ally with the SDPI in the first place is something that has raised a lot of eyeballs. Even as we stay with those live pictures, it is the BJP that has condemned MNM's alliance with the SDPI. Now, details we are receiving, SDPI had originally demanded 25 seats, but Kamal Haasan agreed on 18 seats. SDPI was in alliance with the Nakaran, and the alliance between MNM and SDPI in Tamil Nadu has been criticized by the BJP. Now, why this is also in question? Because it is a controversial outfit, and they are still under the scanner of the NIA for allegedly creating communal disharmony in the country.